You can earn money in thousands of dollars with this AI influencer. This is an AI that looks like a human, through which you can influence everyone like Instagram posts, Facebook, YouTube videos, whatnot. You can earn money in any way. I will give the link in the description. From there, you can enter directly to the website. So, without any delay, let's get into the video. Friends, nowadays we see a lot of AI-generated accounts in online, but it is very difficult to find out which is a real account and which is a fake account. Here I'm showing you some accounts, for example. This is an AI account. They posted here all AI-generated images, and you can see how realistic images AI has created. AI-generated IMG, AI-generated girls, attractive AI girls, and Aiko Kawaii girls accounts. In fact, this all accounts posts are created by AI. Through these AI tools, you can create realistic images, anime images, face swap, videos, animated videos, anything you want. Click website link that I have given in the description and open website directly. Website will open like this. Here you can click connect option and start the work. Sometimes the connect option does not appear here. In that case, simply click on runtime option here and click on change runtime type option and select hardware accelerator GPU T4 GPU and save. Then click on connect option. It will take some time to connect. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. This website runs on completely cloud-based GPU, so it has no effect with your local system GPU. You can use this without any interruption. As you can see here, this tool, available for desktop, speed depends on RAM and GPU. Also available in different OS platforms, like Windows, Mac, and Linux. Let's come back to the website. Website is connected. Next, you will see play symbol here. Simply click on it and start the service. After process is complete, it will look like this. Just scroll down. Here you will get running on public URL. You just click on it. This is the interface here. We can see the AI generated images. Here we have to give prompt how we want the image. These are basic settings. And we also have advanced settings. Click on advanced options. You can see here, right side advanced option panel is opened. We have few more options. First one is preset. Here you can select which type of image you want to generate. I want to generate realistic image, so I selected realistic option, then performance. Here image quality will depend based on these options. Just keep it as same. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to generate image. And aspect ratio. If you need specific aspect ratio, select from these. Otherwise, leave it as same. Next number of image generates. And you can select output format that you want. Next, open style tab. Here select these four options. Then model tab and advanced tab, leave it as same. And main step, you have to type prompt, how you want to generate image. Here, I'm giving some example prompt. After giving the prompt, you have to click generate option. It will take some time to generate images. You can see the results how we get. So, here you see how we generated images through AI. Let's take a look at the generated images. Now I am changing it to American instead of Indian in the prompt and leaving the rest as it is. And number of images, 2 is enough for me. Again, click on generate. It will take some time to generate images. You can see the results how we get. AI generated 2 images. Let's open it one by one. If you're okay with these results, download directly. We generated AI images using prompt successfully. Now we will increase image quality. To do that, click on Input Image. Drag and drop image which you want upscale. Right side we can see few options. Select upscale option, then again click on Generate. Then give some image prompt, then click on Generate. Now let's create different styles with image prompt. To do that, click on image prompt. Then activate advanced feature. Drag and drop reference image left side here and right side. Enter the style image reference that you want, any style. Stop at, keep it 1, and select face swap. And right side select Pyrocani option. Then give some image prompt. Then click on generate. See how beautifully AI generated images. And if you're satisfied with these outputs, then save it by clicking download. Otherwise, you can regenerate for different styles or change the prompt. This time, I will create anime image with any image. To do that, drag and drop reference image here, leave it all setting default. And select anime option from the right side advanced options. Then click on generate. We created successfully anime images. Now I want to add some elements to the image like earrings, chain, and more. To do that, click on In-Paint or Out-Paint option here. Then drag and drop a reference image that you want to add element. Do the paint wherever you want to add elements. Add image prompt that what element you want to add. I will add stylish chain prompt and click on generate. AI added elements to the image and given 3 different styles. Let's check one by one. You have learned how to generate images using AI. I will give link in the description. Open it and create images. In the next video, I will explain how to create videos using AI. If you want, let me know in the comments section. If you don't want to miss such content, please subscribe to my channel and hit bell icon. Thank you for watching and signing off. Bye-bye now.